Action.
Nice. Okay, we're back with the lighter. First, let's test it out. Oh, there it was. Okay. Now, let's get ready for some fire. Be careful. Back up. Normally, there's like a hole inside where you would light this from, but I don't see one.
Dude, that looks cool on the video.
Good. All right.
He wouldn't tell me the number. He was like, I just can't.
Very fire safety. All about fire safety.
Is that safe?
If this were the office, I'd be on fire.
He's open in July. There was some
You're playing with the underbelly of the grill.
Well, you see,
That's disgusting.
this particular
A
boss,
molestation.
you gotta get under some skirts.
Now we know where it is.
Yep. You gotta get under some skirts if you're really gonna get into this thing.
You have to get under the skirt to get really into her.
I'm just kidding.
All right, off.